Just stand there. Hold this.
Big.
Hey, focus. Focus.
Get this big.
Shh.
We got a surprise for you. Okay? See these two shirts?
Yeah.
You see what they say?
Little sister, little brother.
So, in a few months, there's going to be somebody to wear one of these shirts.
Okay.
Do you get what I'm saying here?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
You don't get what I'm saying.
Yes, I do.
What am I saying?
You're gonna get pregnant in a few months.
No, I already am. You're going to be a big brother.
It's the
Okay,
quietest
alright.
I've seen him in like forever.
Ow, ow, ow.
Okay. Turn it off.